Tonight, Turkey ventures into the cosmos to the International Space Station. This short video will unveil the exhilarating excursion of a brave astronaut, Colonel Alper Gezeravci, recognized as Turkey's trailblazer in space exploration. As the first Turkish astronaut with a targeted mission to be the first Turk in space, Alper not only carries his own aspirations, but also the dreams of countless Turkish youngsters and adolescents who ardently seek the celestial sphere. These dreams are now soaring higher than ever with the initiation of Turkey's stellar space program, proudly announced by the nation's custodian of industry and technology, Mehmet Fatih Kasir. Remember to subscribe to our channel Intel Prime for more exciting updates. Numerous nations have provided astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS. And now Turkey joins this prestigious list with the dispatch of its first astronaut. This monumental step forms part of its space program. The highly anticipated AX-3 mission, that will carry Gezeravci to the orbiting laboratory, is being handled by private space exploration company SpaceX. The launch is scheduled at Cape Canaveral, Florida, using the Falcon 9 rocket at 4:49 p.m. Eastern Standard and at 12:49 a.m. Turkey time, 21:49 GMT. This launch symbolizes a new dawn for the Turkish space program, marking the start of an era that will see Turkey sending astronauts with their own launch systems to the moon. The anticipation of this mission is palpable throughout Turkish nations, with countless people fervently wishing the astronaut success in his venture. The ISS, a global collaboration in space, is not a solitary endeavor. Colonel Gezeravci, along with 4 astronauts from Turkey, Spain, Italy and Sweden, all unite on this mission, embarking on more than 30 scientific adventures and exhibitions. Yusuf Kirak, the president of the Turkish Space Agency, or TUA, defined this day as a milestone, a day that had been passionately anticipated by Turkey for years. Alper's mission comprises of 13 scientific explorations, establishing the groundwork for Turkey's future space endeavors. The head of the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, or TÜBİTAK, recognized this day as a monumental one for Turkey, a mission that will engrave a lasting legacy in the chronicle of the Turkish century. This expedition marks an unmatched milestone in Turkey's history, announcing the genesis of an exciting era in our venture towards the cosmos. It is a tribute to the collective aspirations of our society, the courage of a fearless astronaut, and the boundless opportunities that beckon us from the vast expanse unseen to our eyes. Don't forget to subscribe to Intel Prime for more updates.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.